Welcome to the Chick Ship Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to change the cabin air filter on our 2018 Chevrolet Traverse here. This goes from 2018 to 2023 models, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to the passenger side seat in the glove box right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Go on the outside of each wall and pinch them in, allowing this to fall a little bit more. Next step to do, we're going to come around to the side here by the door sill. And you see this little connector piece here. We're going to go ahead and this arm is going to pop out of the end here. So we just pull like that. This right here is the cover for the air filter, okay? The only thing that really we have to do that's kind of involved is we're going to have to pull this down, and there's a screw in there. That's a Torx screw. Let's go ahead and loosen that up. All right, so I got my T20 here, and we're going to go ahead and just turn that. Once you get it loose enough, you can just unscrew the rest by hand. You don't want to lose the screw back here or it's gone. So here's the screw, T20. Okay, so now that we got that pesky screw out of the way, there's only one more thing we got to do, and that's to remove this cover. So you got a tab here, and then up on top, you got a tab you got to lift up first. Okay, and then squeeze that. Just kind of move that door thing out of the way. And there's the access panel removed. Here's our cabin air filter. Let's go ahead and pull this here guy out. Alright, pull that out. Definitely needed to get changed, I would say. The air filter I'm going to go with for the cabin is going to be a Bosch, and right there is the part number for it. It's a HEPA filter. It's got good reviews on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing in. So when you're putting it in, you want to make sure the airflow is pointing in a down direction. And we'll just finagle it in place like so. Go back to our panel. So there's like little hooks here. You want to hook on those first, then pull this plastic trim piece back again, and then we should just all snap in the place. Lastly, let's put our Torx screw back in. Just get it started by hand first. Make sure it's in there good. Okay, that's in. Time to put the glove box back on. All we have to do is, again, these hooks here. We're gonna hook them right here on these little pins, okay? We'll just hook them like that on here, and then we're gonna swing it upwards. You got these two little tabs on each side. We're just gonna lift it all the way up until it clicks in. Take our little arm, and we're just gonna push it until it snaps back into place. And that's it, we're all done. See ya, cabin air filter.